Garageking here. This is an automotive channel geared towards a do-it-yourselfer. So if you like fixing your own vehicle, you're going to want to subscribe and tune into this channel. I work on everything from new cars to old cars. It doesn't matter. General repairs. Nothing is left out. So if you like working on your own car, you're going to want to tune in. Also, every now and then I have an educational piece where I talk about things and the way they work. I work on motorcycles, and you know what? Hey, I'm human. So every now and then I'll leave in a blooper so we can all have a good laugh about what I've done. No big deal. I'll show you how to customize parts. I'll show you how to diagnose electrical, things that no one else wants to do. And you know what? I'll even work on rust exhaust. I'll use a scanner, use scan tools, and you know what? Sometimes parts aren't available. What do I do if they're not available? I'll show you how to make them. It's actually not that hard. And I'll even show you some detailing tips. I'll show you all the tricks that I've learned over the years, but the best part is I'll show you how to properly do them. Now, in addition, I'll even show you some tips and hacks on how to save yourself some money. So if you like what you see, subscribe to Garageking and ring that bell.